Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Absa Bank Forex Booking. This tutorial will walk you through the process of booking a Forex transaction with Absa Bank. To start, it is essential to understand what Forex booking is. It refers to the process of exchanging one currency for another at a predetermined exchange rate. The first step is to open an account with Absa Bank. This can be done by visiting their website or going to a local branch. Once you have an account, you can proceed to book a Forex transaction. To do this, you will need to log in to your online banking profile. Navigate to the Forex section and select the currency you want to exchange. You will then be required to enter the amount you want to exchange, and the exchange rate will be displayed. It is crucial to note that exchange rates fluctuate constantly, so it is essential to check the current rate before booking a transaction. After verifying the exchange rate, you can proceed to book the transaction. You will receive a confirmation of the booking, and the funds will be deducted from your account. It is vital to ensure that you have sufficient funds in your account before booking a Forex transaction. To manage your Forex bookings, you can use the Absa Bank online platform, which allows you to view your transaction history, track the status of your bookings, and access real-time exchange rates. Some key concepts to keep in mind when booking a Forex transaction include the exchange rate, which is the rate at which one currency is exchanged for another, and the margin, which is the difference between the buy and sell rates. Best practices for booking a Forex transaction include regularly checking exchange rates to ensure you get the best rate, using the online platform to manage your bookings, and ensuring you have sufficient funds in your account before booking a transaction. In conclusion, booking a Forex transaction with Absa Bank is a straightforward process that requires some basic knowledge of Forex concepts and the use of the online platform. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and keeping in mind the key concepts and best practices, you can confidently book a Forex transaction with Absa Bank.